Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you all are fine, and I know you people are very excited as government has announced to reopen the schools from March 1st. So let's hope for the best. But one thing I want to say, since a long time, I'm sorry, since a long time I was not able to make videos as I was very busy in my regular schedule, and I was not feeling well since 3 4 days. So today I'm here to share a schedule with you so that you will be informed which topics I'm going to teach in next few days, right? So this is a schedule for the week. Monday, it's 15th Feb. We will be discussing subject verb agreement. Okay, we will discuss foundation and basic जो चीज़ें हैं वो हम इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे. Tuesday, we will discuss the basic rules and few exceptional rules according to time management. Okay, then in the third and the last video of the same topic, subject verb agreement, we will learn few more rules and exceptions, and after that we will discuss the exercise. Okay, and I'm going to discuss this exercise inshallah on board. Then we will try to improve your vocabulary here. So let's discuss about vocabulary. When you are having good vocabulary, good words, you can impress people around you, isn't it? If you are good in writing and you need some synonyms and antonyms of high value, so at that time this vocabulary will help you a lot. We will discuss it inshallah. So keep in touch. Thank you, and share this video too.